Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Zubair Altaf Qureshi and welcome back to yet another video. And in this video, what we are going to do is we are going to do a remote access to a Windows 8 PC from a Windows 10 PC. And the process remains same whether it's Windows 10 or Windows 8. So I have a Windows 8 PC and Windows 10 PC here. So if you go here into my Windows 10 PC and do an IP config, you can see my IP address is 192.168.1.2, and I have uh, another Windows 8 PC on my same network. If I share my screen, you will see. Now you can see this screen here. So if I go and type the command here and say ipconfig, this has the 1.7 IP address. This is basically my Windows 8 PC here. You can see this is my Windows 8 Pro. It's not licensed. That's it. I just have a dummy Windows here. So that's that one. And if you want to see the Windows 10, I will again share my another window. So here you can see, if I just go and click properties, now you can see this is a Windows 10 Pro, right? You can see. Okay, so that is done. Now what I want to do is I want to take a remote access from my this laptop, Windows 10, to the Windows 8 laptop. For that, what I'll do is I'll take a notepad and what I'll do is I'll take this is my source IP. So I'll say source is equal to Windows 10, right? So this is my IP on Windows 10, and the destination is 1.7. Okay, and let's say destination, and I will copy all of it because just the IPv4 address is different, but other than that, everything is same. On Windows 8, we have 1.7. So first of all, on my source PC, I need a software which can remote access to the Windows 8 PC here, right? Windows 8. So for that, on Windows 10, I have a software or an app which is called Remote Desktop, which is inbuilt. So if you go here and say remote, you can see remote desktop connection, right? This one. And the default port that this uses is 3389. Okay, default if you don't specify. Okay, that's what we will be doing here. And on the Windows 8, you have to enable the remote desktop connection. You have to allow other devices to connect to this device. I mean, on Windows 8, you have to enable desktop connections, remote desktop connections, and allow those connections. Okay, so let's go to the Windows 8 PC. And here, what you can do is you can go to the control panel. One option is you can go to the control panel, yeah, and go to the system security, and you can see here, allow remote access. Okay, that is one thing. Or else you can click here and go to properties, and here you can go to remote settings. It'll again launch the same thing. So here it's already enable that allow remote assistance connection to this computer, but choose an option, right, and then specify who can connect. But that has been enabled as don't allow remote connection to this computer. So what you have to do is you have to check on this allow remote connections to this computer and uncheck this allow connection only from laptop computers running remote desktop with network level authentication. I know this is much more secure, but then this requires network level authentication, and we don't need that right now. You can also, I mean, have a granular access. You can add the users that you want to allow, but I will keep it open. Let's say apply and OK, and done. Now let's go to the Windows 10 PC and try to ping this PC. Okay, now I am on the Windows 10 PC and ping 192.168.1.7. This will not work because by default the Windows will block the pings. Okay, to enable this, what will happen, what we will need to do is we need to go to the Windows 8 and let's go to the firewall. One thing is you can just turn off the firewall. That is what you can do. Okay, and let's go to the Windows 10 PC now here, and then again to try the ping. So this is working. So now we have the connection there. Let's go to the Windows 8 PC again and enable the firewall. So my firewalls are enabled. If you see, turn on, okay. Now you know the connectivity is there, just that the firewall was blocking. So let's move on back to the Windows 10 PC here, and now let's open the remote access, remote desktop connection application, and type in your IP address 192.168.1.7 and hit enter. This will try the connection. Now it's asking for the username and password, right? So if you you need to have a user on the Windows created. Okay, you need to have a user account and a password. Just enter the password and you will be allowed on the other side. So here you should, if you don't have a password here, so let's go to the Windows 8 and let's go to the control panel, and I should have the accounts and user accounts, and I have only admin here. Yeah, so you can type in either administrator and the password if you have set something. I think I have not set it, so let's create a new one, right? Let's create manage credential, or you can go and click on this, make changes to my default my account in PC settings. No, change your account name. No, change this. No, manage another account. Okay, fine. Guest, you want to turn guest on? No, I don't want to. Add a new PC to this. Yeah, switch to Microsoft account. I can, or create a password. Now, let's create a password for the admin account. So again, test 123 without the capital, test 123. Let me just show you guys. Yeah, this is test 123, and just type a hint. Yeah, next and finish. So I have my admin account now with the password, or I tried to log in with the other user. Maybe the other user doesn't have that much of permission, authorization, you can say. So let's go on to my Windows 10 PC and try to connect again. So this is my local PC's password, because I have logged in using my Outlook account. So that is asking this, and now it will initiate a connection to the Windows 8. Now this is where I need to enter the administrator. Administrator is the account name, and password was small test 123 or capital. No, that was not it. So I can go to capital administrator. That should not, or I think it is just admin, not the administrator. Yeah, let's try the admin and test 123. Okay, yeah, so that was capital, A with this. So the remote user didn't work, so you have to set a password to the admin account and then log in with the password. Yeah, oh, that was great, and this did work. We had to troubleshoot, but the actual reason was the name of the admin. It was just admin or administrator. So yeah, so that's how you log into a remote device. So if I go here now, I can just type in this and I'm now in my Windows 8 PC. This is the .7. If you go see, I was in Windows. What you can do also is you can go here, minimize this. So now you can see this is the Windows 8 PC, and on my background I have my Windows 10 PC. Yeah, so that's how you remote desktop to another, a remote Windows machine. So that was it for this video, and if you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel, and do share my content, and do press the bell icon so that you get the notification for the latest videos that I upload on my channel. Okay, then bye bye, see you in my next video.